Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stacy and I'm going to throw my Instagram handle up there. If you're not already following me there, feel free to go on over and give me a follow. And thanks for clicking on this video and taking a look at this unboxing. This isn't anything new. It's probably been seen out in the community already. I made a purchase from the Pink Room Co. I purchased, I think they called it an oops or I don't want to use the word defect, but maybe a slightly flawed planner cover and a insert. So I thought I would just go ahead and share the unboxing. I really loved this beautiful wrapping around the box. They make it very special. So if you are interested in seeing what's in this box, stick around. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I have just a little piece of tape here. I wanted to make it easy to open it on camera. And you can see here we've got some really pretty packaging. It says, "Thank you, Anastasia. Thank you for your support. I hope you enjoy your new Happy Meal. Be sure to tag us at the Pink Room Co. when sharing on Instagram. Thank you, and I hope to visit you soon." So I hope you visit soon. She's not going to visit me. And her name is Cindy. So I'm assuming this is like some sort of freebie because I didn't order any stickers, which I know is a shocker. But let's go ahead and take this out of the box and put it aside. Let's go ahead and get into the freebies. I love this like paper bow. This is so pretty. And this really pretty ribbon. Oh, look at that. It's got a gold bow sticker. I am a sucker for bows. In fact, I was at Target today and purchased some gold bow earrings from the BaubleBar. Right. I'm a sucker for good packaging. I don't know if I said that already. This is really pretty. And it just continues. Look at this. Okay, we've got like a holographic bow, and it looks like some paper that she like folded herself. It almost feels like vellum. This paper is very luxurious. Let's see if I can manage not to tear it too terribly. Yeah, so it's like a sheet of paper that she folded into an envelope. I'm going to keep this. Figure out how she did that. That's very clever. All right, so first things up is like this vellum sticker, these cute little icons, and then like a sampler. It says "Be Wild and Beautiful," and you've got some little planners, washi, Happy Meal, and it says new releases, and then this bow is a sticker as well. Oh, that is gorgeous. All right, and this is my receipt. And then this looks like this might be a scratcher. So thank you for your support. And then the Pink Room Co. This almost feels like it might be a scratcher. Okay, so collect 10 Happy Meal and get a $15 shop credit. Okay, so I know that she is located out of the country. I don't recall exactly where. Okay, Canada. The receipt says Canada. So it took a little bit to get here. But, you know, it wasn't anything that I needed urgently, so that's fine. Okay, so we've got another sticker. And if I can manage to pull this up pretty well, I'm going to stick this in my planner just to indicate the day that I received it. Wow, look at that. Feels very luxurious. Beautiful box. Okay, so it looks like you open it here. Just gonna slide that out. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm already in love. I don't know what took me so long to get this. Oh wow, that is really pretty. Okay, so I got an Oopsie Harlow A5 planner cover, and in pink, as you can tell. Oh my gosh, it's got this stitching right here, the gold bow. And we'll see if we can figure out like where the oopsies are. I think what I might have read was that there was a little bit of yellowing in the pockets. And so these are short pockets, all of them it looks like. We'll just go through all of them. Yeah, they're all short pockets, and you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 pockets. Pocket here. Got some strings, and you've got gold hardware. And I feel like I'm missing something. Oh no, I'm not. This is it. Okay, so this is the A5 removable rings. And as you can see, it's got some scalloped edges, and so you're able to convert this. You can use this as a notebook cover or a rings. And I wanted to try this out so that perhaps I can get other planner covers and interchange them. And then you've got a scalloped edge pocket here and a zipper. And the pocket goes all the way here to the side, and I do see a little bit of like yellowing right here, which isn't too big of a deal. You got a pin loop. There's no pockets here. And then on the back, you have this scalloped edge pocket. So, and then you've got the embossing Pink Room Co. So this is gorgeous. I would say that I probably got about a 40% discount. It doesn't have the pricing on here, but I'll calculate that and stick that up here. And so for it being a quote-unquote oopsie, I mean, they're very small flaws in my opinion, and I mean, I wouldn't hesitate to buy another one. This is really, really pretty. Okay, so this is my unboxing from the Pink Room Co. Okay, so real quick, I did pull out the planner that I'm using right now, which is an A5 rings planner. This is a cover from the Planner Society that I purchased on eBay because she doesn't sell these anymore, and I realized that it is significantly bigger. And so I thought, wow, my pages are going to be floating in this cover because they fit in here. Obviously it's an A5 rings, but you see that I have a lot of space on the top and the bottom. So I was like, okay, I thought that's what I bought it for. My memory, I guess, is failing me. So then I thought, gee, I wonder if that would fit a classic happy planner. And I think it will. So I did do this off camera. I'm gonna show you. So this is a cover from Kell of a Plan. It is reversible, and oh my god, Look how pretty that would look. Okay, so let's flip it around. I'm gonna put this on the back. So the guts of this planner is the Homebody, like home planner. I've got a couple of like, you know, budget, chores, meal plans, extra filler sheets, things like that. So this is kind of like my home planner. Get that in there all the way. I think I popped it off the disc back there. So that is tucked in completely. I have classic size disc on it, and look at that. It fits beautifully. I am so happy. Again, I thought I was going to use this as an A5, but I mean, come on, it fits a classic, so I guess that's what I'm using it for. So pretty. I wasn't sure what cover I was going to use for Christmas, and I think now I know. So anyway, again, I wanted this cover. I thought it was gorgeous. I do have the Erin Condren folio, but the pink is a little bit more of a mauve, and I wanted, you know, a more true brighter pink, which I think this suits it very well. But the reason I ordered this additionally was I wanted to see if it would fit another type of planner cover. So this is a folio from Simply Gilded, and I did do the measurements, but I realized that, you know, I didn't account for the rings. So I just thought it would be, you know, not a very expensive investment to see if it would work in this cover. So as you can see here, I've got some sticker books. I have some mini sticker books. This is like my faith planner journal, if you will, that I've been trying to get into. So I put the rings in there, and I wanted to see if it would close up, and it will not. It's a little bit too this is too shallow. It's not wide enough, and this doesn't bend. So I needed to take account for this full width here, but it was worth a shot. I mean, if you haven't seen it before, I shared with Sarah from Creating with Sarah that the Skinny Classic fits in these folios, and you do get extra room on the side, but it still closes. So you could, like, you know, chunk up some pins there or something like that if you wanted to. And these are mini disc. I probably wouldn't go with classic size discs. I think the mini disc work best for this. But anyways, that is my unboxing. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Stay tuned. I will probably film a setup for this cover. Hope you liked this little happy discovery. Let me know in the comments if you already knew this. Otherwise, again, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.